Ever since I passed my good funded Profem account, I've not been given an update on how the account is going. I passed the account on August 5 and I document everything during the time when I'm trading the phase 1 and the phase 2. When I pass it, I document it on this YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through my good funded dashboard and explain what I currently have on that account. Either I still have the account or I've blown the account. I'm going to give you an update of what is going on that account right in this video. And after that, I'm going to be taking you to TradingView to show you what I'm going to be looking out for to trade next week, because I only trade GBP USD and Euro USD, and this has made me to pass this my good funded Profem account phase 1 and phase 2, and I'm still currently trading the funded account. And what I done on phase 1, I'm able to replicate it on phase 2 to pass the phase 2, and I'm very sure that what I done on phase 1 and phase 2 to pass it, I can definitely replicate it on my funded account and get my payout. Without wasting much of our time, let me take you to my laptop screen and show you my good funded dashboard and TradingView, what I'm going to be looking out for next week. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. So alright guys, this is my good funded dashboard. You can see I've not gotten any total payout yet because I've just get a funded account with good funded. You can see number of accounts. I have 4 accounts currently right now. What happened here is that I first got one account earlier this year with good funded, which I blown the account. I also post a video about that on this channel, and the leftover theory that make it to before is that the phase 1 that I passed and the phase 2 that I passed and the funded account that I get. And you can see account pass, this is the phase 1 and phase 2, and funded account is only one account. You can see we only have one active account right here because it is a funded account. You can see right here phase live account. Let me show you the dashboard and see what I've done so far on that account. You can see, let me take you to trading, let me take you to calendar to prove that for you when I started trading the account. You can see I get the account, I get the login of the account around August 5. You can see August 6. You can see I'm down about minus $2 on that same day. And on Friday, it is the day that I think CPI news was released, and I'm holding my trade through it. Initially on this trade, I'm risking about $72 on this trade, but the CPI news make the losses to be wider, and I also learn from this from this. And on Monday, these are unnecessary losses, because what happened on this Monday is that my stop loss placement wasn't correct. This that it's stop loss, even if I will have closed this trade in the evening when I used to close my trade once London session closed, because I'm a day trader, I will close it at break even, but it's stop loss. Same thing also apply here on Tuesday. You can see on Wednesday I'm able to secure profit. I'm able to recover the loss that I've incurred. So on Thursday also I'm able to recover losses. Although initially this trade is supposed to give me about $100 plus, but what happened on this trade is that the one trade hit stop loss and later go in my way, and the other one does not hit my stop loss. So I need to work on that stop loss placement very well. So I've been working on that, and on Friday also I also took a losses, and this is a normal losses. So this is what I have on the account currently right now. You can see since when I started trading the account, this trade that you see minus 2.7 cents, it is a break-even trade, and this one, it is a normal trade that I'm supposed to be losing about 1.2 or 1.3% of the account. But the news that happened on, I think it is CPI news, make me to lose like more like this. So I understand many things about the news very well right now, and this one is an unnecessary loss because my stop loss placement wasn't correct. And this one I done everything right and it went into profit. And also on this one, stop loss placement doesn't correct. I took 2 trades, one on GBP USD, one on Euro USD. You can see right here, you can see the GBP USD hit stop loss and the Euro USD went in my direction. So that is all I have on Thursday. And on Friday I also took a losses, although I've already took initial losses on this. I've already took losses on Euro USD and GBP USD, and I've accepted the losses. But in the evening or in the afternoon, I saw a setup on XAUSD and I say let me give it a try, and it hit stop loss. And I also learned my mistake from this. I learned a lot of mistake from this, because what make me to pass this, I've learned a lot from this, because what make me to pass this account initially is only trading GBP USD and Euro USD, and for me now to introduce XAUSD now, it means I'm introducing myself to volatile pair. I'm introducing myself to unnecessary risk, because it is not XAUSD that I used to trade the account to get the account funded. So I've learned my mistake on Monday. On on Monday, what happened initially is that my stop loss placement wasn't correct, and on Tuesday also stop loss placement wasn't correct. On Thursday, on Thursday also on Thursday my stop loss placement wasn't correct, and I've learned from that also. What happened exactly is that the stop loss placement that wasn't correct, I will manage that and control that and learn more about that, so I can learn more about that and how to set my stop loss. Although I have a good strategy already, but all I just need is to refine it. So that is all I have on this Go 200 Profit account. Let me take you to the main dashboard and see. You can see daily drawdown. So you can see I'm just down about 61, about $81, 81 $80 plus on this account. That is what I'm down about it. You can see I've already passed the trading days and all that. Let me show you the account overview. You can see this the all the profit factor. You can see this is all the start of the account. This is just the history. So currently now, let me take you to trading view now and show you what exactly I'll be looking forward to get next week, because because the losses that I took on Friday, I've cleared all my watch list, and I only trade GBP USD and Euro USD, and that is what I'm going to be looking out for. Let me take you to trading view and show you what I have on trading view. You can see on trading view, first thing I want you to look out for here is that you can see right here on my watch list, I've removed XAUSD. I only have GBP USD and Euro USD, because these are the only pair that make me to pass phase 1 and phase 2 challenge account from Good Funded. So let me show you. This is 4 hour time frame on GBP USD. Let me show you what I currently have. You can see this trend line at the bottom. This trend line you see at the bottom. This is the analysis I've done from monthly time frame, on monthly, weekly, and daily time frame. This trend line is for monthly and daily and weekly time frame. Let me show you what I have. Let me show you an example of it. This is an example of what I have on monthly time frame, on weekly time frame, on daily time frame. This is what I have. Like now on monthly time frame, I have this already. We have in a bullish trend. We have a bullish trend, touches the trend line and touches it again and touches it again. You can see what I have on monthly time frame. This is our first touch, our second touch, and we are waiting for our third touch at this zone. And while waiting for our third touch at this zone, automatically, if you are on a higher time frame and we are waiting for our third touch, this moment now we are going to be selling, because we are going to execute our trade on lower time frame. So automatically we are in a bullish trend on monthly time frame. On monthly time frame, we are in a bullish trend. This is just an opportunity for it to touch this one and begin to be pulling up, and it might touches this one and break it out. So we still have a logical reason to be selling from this one on monthly, on weekly, on daily time frame. This is what I have. We have a edge for us to be selling from this one, to be selling to the downward side like this. So that is what I have on monthly time frame, on monthly and weekly, on daily time frame. And coming down, our results for monthly, weekly, and daily time frame now is we are in a bullish trend, but we are going to experience some sell to our trend line before we begin to be taking the bullish. So coming down to 4-hour time frame, automatically when you come to 4-hour time frame, what you are going to be seeing is a bearish trend. If you can look at it well, since January 27 this year, we have been in a bearish move. So right now, what I'm currently looking out for on GBP USD is that, on 4-hour time frame now, we are currently in a downward trend. We have first touch, second touch, and the third touch at this one. You see, third touch drop to this extent, and currently now our trend line has got weak. And once our trend line got weak like that, we are going to be taking buys. The only reason why we can begin to be taking sell once our trend line break is that, you see, as trend line break at this zone, we have high chance that trend line the trend line that break might respected this zone. You can see market respected this resistance at this place. As it respected this resistance at this place, we do not have opportunity to sell from this one, because this is a long candle. Our stop loss will be very wider. So I take some buy from this place during the week that ended. I took a buy from this place. What I'm currently looking out for next week is that, you can see what, as I've explained earlier, this is a logical reason that I used to trade. Once trend line, of our we are in a sell move, we have to be looking forward to sell. like from this zone now that it touches the trend line and it began to be dropping. At this point now, we are not supposed to be looking forward to do any buy. We are going to be definitely going to be doing overall sell. And you can see at this, so this is a counter trend line that I draw. When trend line got break, it will retest, and from this one we are going to take some buys. So what we are currently looking out for is that you can see at this one, when the trend line got break, it pull up and come down to touches support at this one and began to be pulling up back. What I'm currently looking out for is that after trend line got break, although we know we are in a sell move, we can be taking some buy from this one, but we are definitely going to be careful with the buy that we want to take. So this, our possible zone that we are looking out for market to touch is this resistance at the top. You can see if you look at it very well, the next resistance that we have is at this top right here, and I know that market will definitely want to respect this resistance. You can see right here what I currently have on my chart right here. My outlook is that when market open on Monday, either it touches this zone, it comes to touches this zone. If market, you can see these two arrow, if market close above this line and I see candle rejection, I'm going to be taking buy to this place. But as I can see, there is not high impact news next week. There is not much high impact news next week, so we might be taking some sell from this one. Even if you can see it from this one, this has already give us like an M pattern. Like from this one now, it has already give us like an M. It can just complete the M pattern and we began to be selling from this one. So that is what all I'm looking out for on GBP USD, and the same thing also apply on Euro USD, because they are correlating pair, they move in same direction. You can see trend line has already got break at this one, and we have high chance that this resistance might got break and respected this zone. And after respecting this zone, we are going, if it respected this zone and it began to be dropping, that means we are going to delete our trend line away. We are going to be marking, we are going to be looking forward to mark out new trend line. So that is all I'm looking out for. What make me the losses that I make on Friday is that watching any pair that I know I'm not trading will not be in my watch list. You can see in my watch list currently now, I only have GBP USD and Euro USD. So that is all I have on this account now. You can see the account now, I'm still positive on that account, and what I've done on that account, I can easily replicate it. And if I can replicate it, that will give me a peace of mind that what I done to pass my phase 1 and phase 2, I can easily replicate it on foreign account. Even if I blow this account, I know if I blow this account and I purchase new account, that is not a problem for me. All I just need is to get another money to buy a new account, which I know definitely I'm not going to blow this account. Let's say accidentally I now blow this account, I can easily replicate what I done on phase 1 to pass it, what I done on phase 2 to pass it. I can easily replicate it to pass new account. All it will just take is to take times. So that is all I have currently in this video now. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and like this video. I am Taufik Abiola. I'm a forex day trader, and I am a price action trader. I trade with price action trading strategy, and all this trade I drop it in my Telegram channel. Not like the way I explain what I'm going to be, the way I explain my outlook now, I drop it in my Telegram channel before I even execute the trade. Problem can spot copy trading rule, but I drop it overview of the trade before I even took it. I drop it in my Telegram channel. So if you want to join the Telegram channel, link will be in the video description. And if you want to buy Profem with Ghost Funded Profem account, please use the link in this video description. And also, one thing I like about Ghost Funded Profem account is that they allow news trading, and the important thing that I need to take note of about when getting accounts with them is that their daily drawdown and maximum drawdown. That is all I've been taking note of this account. And on this account that currently now, I've been trading this account from February till this account I use to refine my strategy. I post everything on this channel. You can check all the video out. And since February 8th, I've been trading this account, and I passed since February 8th, I've been struggling with this account, and I passed this account in July. When I passed this account in July, they not said all the trade that since February that I've been trading this account, I've taken a lot of trade. When they review my account, they still give me my funded account. If it is some problem, they might say as long as you have been trading from as long now, they can just spot one mistake and say you will not be getting your funded account. But I get my funded account, and I'm still currently trading the live funded account. And this week Thursday, if I'm able to up about $100 on that account, I can easily make my withdrawal on that account. So stay tuned. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and like this video. And if you have any question, comment it below so YouTube can recommend this video to anybody that might need it. And if you have any question, as I've said earlier, comment it and If you want me to do a video about something that you like to watch on this channel, comment it. I'm also going to be respond to that. So bye for now. Catch you in the next video.